And now, as you're about to see, Judge O'Donnell testified in court that he never signed the transfer order.
Your Honor, did you transfer this case to Collin County by this document?
No.
Would that document, Your Honor, vest the Dallas court, the 255th, with continuing exclusive jurisdiction?
Yes.
You should be shocked to hear Judge John Narsuda say,
So if we'd move on and stay away from matters of the law.
Yeah, pretty shocking to me. Let me explain to you the significance of this transfer order. In family law cases, particularly cases involving children, whatever court first acquires jurisdiction retains exclusive continuing jurisdiction. That means that no other court in the state has the authority to make any ruling. The only way the jurisdiction changes is through a valid transfer. And without a valid signed order, you don't have a valid transfer. That means that there never was a transfer and jurisdiction remained in Dallas County. And if you will read, I've got other excerpts of Judge O'Donnell's testimony in the written materials, and you will see that there never was a hearing on the motion to transfer. There was never any ruling on any of the evidence. And the only judge that could have signed the order and could have transferred the case had nothing to do with the case until July 28th. And he was told that he was only signing the motion to withdraw. On July 28th, 1989, the case was transferred to Collin County. And at this time, I want to discuss that transfer, because this will give you some idea of some of the problems that not happened just in this case, but could happen in other cases. Unfortunately, I can't show you the order now, but it is in the written materials, and I urge you to look at it. It is a 2-page document. It's entitled Order on Motion to Transfer. However, when you go to the bottom of the page, it says, signed this blank day of blank, 1989. All orders have to contain a date on which it was signed. But when you see this order, you'll see that these blanks are still blank. There's no date filled in. Then you go to the second page, and there's a signature line for the judge. That's blank also. When I first saw this document, the first thing I said to Patricia was, well, this transfer order's never been signed, and it's no good. But if you look further down the second page, there is a handwritten order that says Gilbert Medina Jr.'s motion to withdraw is granted. Gilbert Medina was Patricia Hope's attorney at that time. Patricia Hill's address for notice pursuant to Texas Rules of Civil Procedure is 6051 Windbreak Trail, Dallas, Texas. This has a date when it was signed July 28th, 1989, and it is signed by Judge Robert O'Donnell. Now, what's remarkable about this handwritten order is that it is in the handwriting of the father's attorney. He filed a document about 4.5 years later in his handwriting, and when you compare these two, the handwriting is exactly the same.